This is a Heathkit DX 60B, as in Bravo, and I'm quite not in focus here. I want to show you that it works on AM, and it's kind of jerry-rigged up here, so you can see the light flashing, and I have a Flex 6400M, and you can probably see it working over there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it does work on AM. And I'm going to set this down. I'm going to turn that off and put this, let's put it on a tripod so you don't jump all around like this. And we'll show you that it works on other bands too. And I'm going to shut off the 6400M so you're not driven crazy by it. Okay, so we have a we. I don't know why. You know, hams say we. There's no we. It's just me. I see people on eBay saying, "Well, we have tuned this up." Actually, they haven't tuned it up. There's no we involved. It's just the. Anyway, you see that it works on AM, so I'm not going to test it further on AM. And I had a kind of a pathetic mic here, and the ground and the shield was backwards. So I'm surprised it didn't get any hum. But anyway, let's show you that it works. So I have a crystal in there, 7 megahertz crystal, and we'll try it on a couple of bands. Put it in the tune position. We usually want to set it up for about 2 mils of grid current, and then we're going to tune it up, which I think it's already tuned up on this band. And so I'm going to peak that up there. And it's supposed to load up to about 150 mils. It's showing about 100 mils here, but when I put it on an antenna, it does go to 150 mils. The light bulb probably doesn't present a very good match. So that is 40 meters. We're going to jump to 20 meters, so the crystal is jumped, so it's about 14.3, and I'm going to put it in the tune position, and let's peak up the tune there. That's about as much we should get. Put it in the plate position. I'm going to bring this down to 0, and we're going to dip the final, hopefully. There it is. We'll bring it back up, and we'll bring it down, and whoa, that's pretty bright. It does load up to about 100, over 150. Well, loads up to 150 mils here. Okay, so that's 20 meters. I'm going to put it in the 15 meter position. We're now tripling the crystal. I think it's probably out of the band by now, but it's roughly about what we want to be. As far as it, well, we've got a lot of drive there. Let's bring that down to about 2 mils. I'll bring that down to 0. Go over to, and let's see if we can dip the final. There, final is dipped. Bring it up a little bit. Bring it down a little bit. Bring it up. This has to do with parallel and resonant circuits, by the way. Parallel resonant circuit draws minimum current when it's tuned and a maximum output. So that's 15 meters. We're not going to get as much on 10, but we'll give it a shot. Put it in the tune position. There's a little bit of drive there, but there we got plenty. We got plenty there. Gonna bring this down to 0. See if we get anything on the light bulb. Oh, gotta put that in the plate. Down to 0. Bring this up. Bring that down to 0, almost. And down we go. Still not lighting the light bulb. There it goes. Light bulb is lighting. So you know, don't get as much on 10 meters. Okay, now we'll go to 80 meters, which means I have to change the crystal. So I'll go to a 80 meter crystal or 75 meter crystal. Put this in the tune position, and let's peak the drive. Wow, let's bring that down a little bit, and now we'll put it into the CW position. That thing is lighting up like a Christmas tree. Okay, that's about as, yeah, that's enough. Okay, so you can see that it works on that band. I do have one knob that doesn't match, but if you want a knob that matches, here it is. I just had a little trouble trying to get that knob off. The screw, I don't have a small enough screwdriver to get in there. The slot doesn't seems to have a little rust on it, or some kind of corrosion on it. But if you remember to ask for this, if you remember to ask for it, I will remember to put it in there. So that's the Heathkit DX60B, as in Bravo.